Welcome to our online-based Industrial Service Excellence Monitor. You are a manufacturing company and interested in becoming excellent within your service business? Then benefit from our monitoring system with a free and scientifically based analysis of your company. Through the monitor, your company benefits from an in-depth assessment. You can evaluate how excellent your company is in the field of industrial services. You can compare your company to others and get a valid benchmark. Furthermore, we provide practically oriented recommendations for action. The monitor is anonymous and available for free. You can use it via PC and tablet, and besides that, it is available in 7 languages. Please be aware that we target manufacturing companies, especially advanced manufacturers, with an established service business or manufacturing companies which are building up a service business. We do not focus on pure service providers or companies which sell products and services to end-user consumers. Let's get started. We will now guide you through the relevant steps of the monitor. Open the following link. If you use the monitor for the first time, please click on Analysis of my company. You are required to sign up if you want to use the monitor. If you have already signed up, you can log in directly here by using your password and your email address. If you have not yet signed up, please click on Not Yet Signed Up. Choose a password and type in your email address. Your email address is required in order to rule out falsification of data. By signing up and using the EASY Monitor, you agree to your data being used for scientific analysis. No data will be passed on to third parties. For further information, please have a look in our Data Protection Declaration. Welcome to the EASY Monitor. The dashboard in the middle shows you 3 options. Here you can undertake a first analysis of your company. The analysis will take approximately 20 minutes. Now we will start with the analysis. In this analysis we focus on services that are offered for our company's B2B services and which are usually in relation to a product. Examples of services are consulting, development of specific solutions, warranties, maintenance, pay-per-use services, repairs, optimization of customer sites, and more. Please answer the following questions with regard to your most important services in the B2B sector. It is a self-evaluation, anonym, and no data will be passed on to third parties. The quality of the results depends on your reliable answers. We will ask questions regarding 12 dimensions of industrial service excellence, questions regarding your outputs or performance aspects, and some additional information. For this analysis, it is important that you have high-level insights into the service division of the company. Please answer the questions and use the range from 1, do not agree, to 7, totally agree. The statements regard 12 dimensions of industrial service excellence. All questions are shown on this page, so take your time for answering. You can also save your details during completion and continue the analysis later by clicking this button below. When you're finished, click on Next. Now please answer the following questions regarding your outputs or performance aspects and some additional information. After you finish your analysis, click on Finish. Now you can have a look at your results in this section. This chart shows your self-evaluation in the 12 dimensions of industrial service excellence. The benchmark line in green displays the average of all participating companies. By comparing your results with the benchmark, you can see whether your company is above or below average. Click on the bar of each dimension to receive detailed information which will appear below the chart. The various dimensions of industrial service excellence influence certain performance aspects in different ways. As part of the Industrial Service Excellence Monitor, the impact on 4 performance aspects will be analyzed. This will enable you to decide which control levers you want to use in order to reach your corporate objectives. Here you can see the relevant dimensions to reach financial performance of the service business. Here you can see recommendations for action within the 12 dimensions. Take network competencies as an example. We differentiate between main principles and possible actions. Finally, you can have an overview regarding your self-assessment. Furthermore, you can download your report of the Industrial Service Excellence Monitor with the most important results of your company. If you have further questions, please contact us.